And I'm forecaster Nick Dunn. We had a nice weekend with lots of sunshine. It was a little chilly, but I think we can tolerate that when we get lots of sunshine on the weekends. We're looking at a night tonight that's not going to be as chilly. Lows will be in the 40s. Warmer temperatures are on the way to start the work week, and also some rain coming in the middle of the week. I'll show you that coming up here in just a little bit. Looking outside right now from our Kettering Health sky cam from downtown Dayton, we're at 52. Dew points at 31, so the air feels very crisp. Southwest wind at 9 miles per hour, and humidity right now at 45%. Temperatures across the region relatively cool. A few pockets in the 40s. Our traditional cool spots are Bana, Middletown, Richmond, already down to the 40s. The coolest air tonight will stay well to our southeast, so I'm not anticipating any frost. Now, compared to 24 hours ago, it feels much warmer out there, although you may really not be able to tell. But temperatures are about 5 to 10 degrees warmer across the region here this evening than where we were about 24 hours ago. Radar and satellite, we are dry and clear. Just a few clouds working across the region, particularly across our northern counties this evening, but we're going to stay dry. I don't anticipate any rain coming, at least for the first couple of days. Now, since September 1st, we are just over 2 inches of rainfall. We should be over 4 inches of rainfall. So since we didn't get any rain today, that now puts us over 2 inches below normal for this time of the year in terms of where we should be dating back to September 1st. Now, the cool air is going to start to move away from the region. We're going to have warmer air starting to move in, and that will allow for the jet stream to stay to our north, so we'll be in a little bit of a ridge, if you will. But then our next pocket of cool air, this will come in mid to late week, and that will bring our temperatures back into the 50s and the 60s, about where we were this weekend. Looking at the bus stop forecast, clear skies to start the day, sunshine with temperatures getting up to the 70s by the time the kids get dropped off tomorrow afternoon. If you're planning to go golfing tomorrow, it's going to be a fantastic day. Not anticipating any weather problems whatsoever with a high of 71. No hazards out there, and good luck if you happen to be out there on the green. So looking at your future counts for tonight, temperatures will fall back through the 50s into the 40s. A few pockets in the 30s early, but we'll make it up to the 70s during the afternoon. Lots of sunshine. Again, just a few clouds working through the region. Really just an overall pleasant evening for you. Monday night looking very nice as well, clear skies, and again just a few clouds. Tuesday we're going to start to see an increase in cloud cover ahead of our next weather maker, and that will bring us the chance for some showers. Mainly I'm thinking now on Wednesday and not so much Thursday, which is good if you have any late week plans, but you'll start to see the cloud cover really increase on Tuesday night. If you have plans to go outside and maybe rake some of those leaves that are starting to fall, tomorrow and Tuesday looking good. Wednesday with some afternoon showers and breezy conditions, not looking as pleasant for you. So if you have anything to get done, make sure to get that done on Monday and Tuesday. For the rest of tonight, we'll see just a few clouds. We'll go down to 43. Those west-southwest winds will help us stay a little milder. We should stay frost-free tonight, which is kind of nice out there for you as well. Tomorrow, we'll go up to 71, mostly sunny skies, another mild day with a southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Feeling very pleasant out there for this time of the year, just a few degrees above normal. Wednesday, showers and breezy. It clears out of here by Thursday with cooler temperatures later in the week, and right now next weekend highs in the 60s, and we should be dry for at least half of the week. Now, forecaster Nick Dunn in tonight for Chief Meteorologist Natalie Walters. It's been a windy day, but it's also been a bit of a dry day. That means we still have a red flag warning that's in effect until 8 o'clock this evening for our counties along and west of I-75. But you may wonder what exactly causes a red flag warning. Well, there's several ingredients that have to come into play. So the first of which, humidity has to be below 25%. We've seen humidity values as low as 15% today. Gusty winds and recent dry weather also playing a pretty big factor into that as well. That's why we always ask you when we have these alerts, just don't burn anything outside. Here's a quick look at your weekend forecast. Dry weather outside of a stray shower tomorrow morning. We'll see highs getting up to around 60 on Saturday and into the upper 60s on Sunday, but much cooler weather is on the way, and I'll talk about that coming up in just a few minutes. So the rain will start to move in well after midnight tomorrow night, more likely into Wednesday and through the afternoon. Some heavier downpours even from time to time. Some localized places could get over 3/4 of an inch depending on where those downpours exactly line up, but overall we'll take the rain any way we can get it. That'll help put a dent into our 2-inch rainfall deficit. Now, once we get that cold front and a secondary cold front out of here on Sunday, we are looking at much cooler temperatures in the next week. You saw that high of 53 from Monday. Yeah, a lot of the Ohio Valley going to be well below normal into early next week, and so we'll have to be tracking that as well. And coming up, we'll have a look at that 7-day forecast for you as well. Looking at radar and satellite, we're in good shape here for now, but our next round of moisture is not too far away. Looking at some showers off to our south, and that will continue to move our way over the next 12 to 18 hours. So first off, tomorrow morning, we'll start off right around 70 degrees. We'll make it up to close to 80 by noon. And as we get into the afternoon, those of you that get rain, you're likely going to be stuck in the 70s. Thankfully, we're not tracking anything like that across the Miami Valley, but we are tracking a flood watch with showers and thunderstorms continuing, and thankfully, we're looking at perhaps some drier weather towards the end of next week. Again, right now we are still tracking a flood watch for Butler, Warren, and Clinton counties that goes through 11 p.m. tomorrow night. And we still have a flood advisory till 11:45 for parts of Miami, Shelby, and Champaign County, where upwards of 3 inches of rain has fallen based on some of the radar estimates this evening. Thankfully, the rain has lightened up to our north, but we're starting to see some rain getting a little heavier near and south of Interstate 70 this evening. So if you have any late night travels or early morning travels, we'll have to watch for some of that. In fact, some of the lightning is starting to pick up just a little bit down there in Butler County as well. Taking a look across the entire region, there's actually a frontal boundary draped across the northern part of Ohio back into central Indiana, and so we're just moist and unstable enough for showers and storms to continue to develop here this evening. Looking outside at our Kettering Health Skycam, it's cloudy and 73 here in downtown Dayton, but obviously some of us are getting some rain right now. Dew points at 69 with a light north-northeast wind. Temperatures across the region, we are sitting in the upper 60s to low 70s for most. We're sitting at 73 in Dayton and in Springboro, 68 in Sydney and in Wapakoneta. Looking at the temperatures compared to where we were just about 24 hours ago, we're actually just a touch warmer and really not noticing much of a difference with the humidity out there whatsoever. I was talking about this a little earlier, but we are under a slight risk of excessive rainfall tonight. We are concerned about some pockets of flooding where the rain is heaviest. So just kind of keep an eye on for that if you have any morning travel. Speaking of tomorrow morning, we might even start with showers and thunderstorms with temperatures right around 70 degrees, and we may not catch much of a break. I don't want you to look at this as a total washout. It's not going to be an all-day rain based on what I'm seeing, but certainly some pockets of time to time from showers and thunderstorms continuing. So through the rest of the night tonight, again, rain lifting north, some of that's heavy at times. Tomorrow morning, futurecast a little underdone here, I think, but I think we could certainly see some wet roadways and some showers and storms in the morning. In the afternoon, probably going to be our best coverage of that. Temperatures getting into the 70s, and we'll see the rain continue into Tuesday morning as well as we get ready to go back to work and school. Even some patchy fog possible Tuesday morning and into the afternoon hours as well. So for the rest of tonight, showers and thunderstorms, some of those heavy at times, areas of patchy fog as well, with lows dropping back to about 68 degrees. For the daytime on Monday, I know it's Labor Day, not great timing, but showers and storms continuing, some downpours from time to time as well, with highs topping out around 79. And looking at the next 7 days, we will be seeing showers and storms continuing into Tuesday, but less coverage. Wednesday, a spotty shower or two. Dry days for Thursday and Friday, that'll be nice, and maybe a slight chance of rain looking ahead to next weekend as well.